Do you know that you cannot have the perfect amala with a flopped ewedu? Hello Sweetfingers Lovers, it's your favorite girl again, Chef Boss here, and on today's episode I'll be teaching you the easiest way to make your Buka style ewedu without stress. First off, you just need to pick your ewedu from its leaves, and then you're just going to rinse it. You have to rinse this properly because ewedu leaf is gotten from the root, and also there is a lot of sand in it and we don't want that in our food. So after rinsing it in the pot, you're just going to add water. Allow your water to get hot a bit, and then you're just going to rinse your locust beans and add it to it. That is your eru. And after that, you're just going to add your ewedu leaf to it. Then make sure it is properly and well seated inside the pot, and then you're just going to add your potash, that's your corn, and then we're just going to mix together until it is well and properly combined together. And also we're just going to allow it to start boiling until it is very soft, and this took between 5 to 7 minutes on a medium heat. Then after this time, our ewedu leaf is very soft, so bring out your blender and let's get right into it. So I'm just going to add my ewedu inside my blender and blend this for just 4 seconds. This is no more than 4 seconds. After 4 seconds, I got what I wanted. That's the consistency that I wanted, and this is what we have. So I'm just going to add it back into our pot, drizzle a little bit of salt to it, and then mix together. Then our Buka style ewedu is ready. All we have to do is just serve. And this is what we have. So let me know, my Sweetfingers lovers, what you think about this recipe. Are you going to try this recipe? Do not forget to watch our other recipe to learn how to learn your easy and affordable meals. And I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye.